Hello, it's Mr. Egg here. Welcome to today's video. Now, I was talking to a friend yesterday, and they were both, him and his girlfriend, who live together, were talking about ordering some food from one of the food services. And they decided mutually to order some noodle soup. Great idea. But you could have various ingredients in a noodle soup, and there could be beef, roast pork, breast of chicken, chicken legs, or chicken's feet. My friend chose lovely crispy pork, and his girlfriend straight away says, boom, chicken's feet, I want chicken's feet. And it got me thinking, you know, what is it about chicken's feet that Thais like so much? I'm going to do a bit of investigation. I'm going to buy some, and my assistant Dao, oh, there she is over there. She's actually going to cook me some, and I'm going to try it. If you like the video, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Excellent, we're into the market now. We're going to see if they sell chicken's feet first of all. The interesting thing is, chicken's feet is just not just a delicacy here in Thailand. It's all around Southeast Asia. It's in Taiwan, South Korea, Philippines, everywhere over Southeast Asia. They love chicken's feet. In fact, I have heard that when English chicken manufacturers slaughter the birds, they cut off the feet and send them over here to Thailand. Weird. Let's go and have a look, see if we've got them. We'll better catch up with Dao, she's way ahead of me. So we've been in the market about 30 seconds and we've hit the chicken stand, and we've got all different parts of the chicken here. I think we've got the liver, the offal, wings, and here they are, chicken's feet. Tin kai thalai kap? Roi nung. So 1 kilo. 1 kilo, 100 baht. Okay, Dao. Get some.
Yes.
Hiu mak. Starving. Get some chicken's feet. She's waiting for me to produce some money, I think. Hold on. There you go, Dao. That's my dinner sorted for today. Quite looking forward to it. The really nice breast of chicken is 55 baht a kilo, and the feet are 100 baht. It's a delicacy over here. I'm looking forward to this. Dao says she's going to cook me a really nice aroi mak mak meal. I'm looking forward to this, Dao. Don't let me down, Dao. Thank you very much. And I'm liking the high levels of hygiene from these. Okay. ขายไก่ที่นี่กี่ปีแล้วครับ 11 11 years. Wow. And ราคาไก่11 ปีที่แล้วราคาไก่เท่าไหร่ครับโลละ a kilo 11 years ago how much was the price
แต่ก่อนมาถูกตัวเนี่ยราคามันครึ่งครับ
so it's gone up, yeah?
ใช่ครับ
Yeah, okay. And Tony, so this one now, this chicken which is like num
ใช่
breast, chop.
ตัวนี้อันนี้โล65 บาทครับ
So 65 baht.
65
Yeah.
บาท
Okay, good. And ตีนไก่แพงกว่าทำไมล่ะเพราะว่าฝรั่งไม่เข้าใจตีนไก่อร่อยหรือเปล่า We don't understand why chicken's feet are so delicious.
คนไทยมันชอบครับ
Yeah.
ใช่ครับ
Yeah.
ใช่ขายดีครับ
You like to eat too? คุณชอบกินไหม
ใช่ชอบกินครับ
Really?
คนไทยเป็นชอบกิน
Oh, okay. ขอบคุณมากครับ
ขอบคุณครับ
ขอบคุณมากครับ Take care. So you're going to buy me some vegetables? Pack.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. She's buying me some vegetables. You know, if you ever get a chance when you're here in Pattaya, come to one of these local markets. The smell's a bit different. You get the smells of fish and all the raw meat and everything. But some of the colours and the flavours that you see are great. Look at the greens over here. And some of the fish that are over here as well. They look and smell fantastic. Okay, 40 baht, thank you. A few bits of veg. So, we're going to make that and that into a delicious, nutritious meal. Or I am. Dao is. Dao. Come on, mate.
Yeah.
There you go. Grab on there.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go back, get into the kitchen and see what she can make of it. So I'm just Actually, I don't know what's happened to Dow. Dow's gone way over there. She's sprinted off because she's getting into the kitchen because she's can't wait to cook me this chicken's feet meal. And I'm wondering what it's going to be. Is it barbecue chicken's feet? Chicken's feet à l'orange? Chicken's feet cordon bleu? I don't know. We're going to get to the kitchen in the bar and find out what she's doing up. What she's making up. I am hungry. I can't wait. First thing to remember when you get your chicken's feet is to make sure they're properly washed because they're feet and they've been on the ground and they might have nasty chemicals on them. And I took a look at the bloke that was selling them and he didn't look like the most hygienic person in the world. So we've washed the chicken's feet and now we're on to the vegetables. Dad's doing a good job there. I mean, I'm no expert and I'm certainly not going to be eating any baked beans with this, unfortunately. Chicken's feet, boiling water, I can smell lemongrass and I can see a bit of chilli in there as well. So it's all looking a bit arroy mark at the moment. But let's see what happens. Okay.
รากหอม Yeah.
It's been about 10 minutes since we last come in. Let's go and have a look at the cooking pot. Let's go and have a look at the cooking pot. Come on. Dao.
What?
อร่อยไหม
อร่อย
Can I chim noi?
ยังไม่เสร็จเลยบอสยัง
Oh,
ไม่
it's not finished yet. She says
not
no.
finished.
I want to try a little bit, but she says
Yeah.
no.
not finished
Beautiful.
not finished
I'm looking forward to that. And Gikon Tan, how many people can eat this now? This 1 kilo, 1 kilo. How many people?
โอ้ยมีติ้งพีโพ
3 people, yeah.
3 คน
Yeah.
หมดแล้ว
So you're only half a person, so maybe another 2.5 we need, and we'll be all right. I was looking at it on the internet, especially in China and also I think in South Korea. They deep fry the chicken's feet, and it's like a delicacy to eat with beer. So it could be like a bar snack. The pub bar snack, chicken's feet. This is a winner. Anyway, I'm awaiting my fate. Dao is going to bring me the bowl of soup that she's done. It definitely smells like there's lemongrass in there, which isn't my favourite. And a little bit spicy, just like a traditional Thai soup, really, with chicken's feet in. Go. It's McDonald's open. The big reveal. It's coming up. Chicken's feet. Ah, Kun Dao.
Okay.
It smells all right. Let me taste a little bit of the soup.
Okay.
It's not bad.
Okay, mate.
It's all right, yeah. But I'm not sure. Are these tomatoes? มะเขือเทศไหม
มะเขือเทศ yeah.
Okay, so this is tomatoes.
มะเขือเทศ
It's not bad. Hold on.
Good ไหม อ
Very
ร่อยไหม
nice. But everyone wants me to see the chicken feet. Right. How do I eat the chicken's feet? Do I eat them like that, or do I eat them by picking them up like that?
up to you when you can
Yeah. All right.
นี่ไง
Put it on a plate.
Yeah.
Misteregg eats chicken's feet. But do you eat the bone as well?
Yes.
Kidding me. Right, here we go.
เป็นไง อะไร
I must admit the bone isn't that bad.
Alright, man.
You see, I think it's alloy. It's okay. It is a different texture to the chicken. It's like It's not like eating regular chicken. It's like eating very crispy, like KFC sort of chicken, but obviously not with the herbs and spices. I don't think the Colonel would make much of this. It's not as bad as I thought it would be. Very nice. Kakumakab. Dao.
Yeah.
Hold on. Kundao, thank you very much for helping me make the video.
Yes.
Thank you. Say goodbye.
Hello. Goodbye.
She's going to go and do the washing up. I've got some more chicken's feet to eat. Hold on. For me, Mr. Egg, I'll see you next week. It's okay.